Hello students, this is Swati Deshpande, teacher. Today we will be covering one more important topic from 8th Standard Scholarship IT section. The name of the topic is series, and in that also we will be concentrating on numbers. See students, this particular chapter you had even in 5th Standard Scholarship. So most of you all may be knowing this, but in case you are new to this scholarship, I would like to just introduce you to this series. What do you mean by series? See students, in series they will give you 4-5 numbers. Those numbers will be related to each other and they will move forward in some rhythm or in some style. एक नंबर है उसका डबल है, ये भी उसका डबल है, तो डबल 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 करते जाना है. So you need to find out कैसे वो आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, in which format they are, which way they are following. So you need to follow the same thing and arrive at the number in place of question mark. So let us not waste time, straight away go ahead with the problems. But before that, see, for this particular chapter and many more chapters in IT, you are expected to know all types of numbers. Means prime numbers, square numbers, cube numbers, triangular numbers, twin prime numbers and so on. Okay, square numbers at least up to 30 for 8th standard and cube numbers at least up to 10 you must know. It should be so fixed here. Looking at the number you should know that they are prime numbers or they are square numbers and so on. So for that you must memorize them. Okay, see, all these numbers I have discussed in my numbers video. So I suggest you all see that video so you will have a better idea of different types of numbers which you need to know. Okay बच्चे लोग, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. See, first sum 73, 14, 84, 101 and 289. Observe the numbers. How are they moving? See, ये reduce हो रहा है, ये बढ़ रहा है, ये इधर reduce हो रहा है. सब बढ़ते होते तो हम लोग बोलते थे कि कुछ एडिशन हो रहा है, इधर तो ये रिड्यूस किया है उन्होंने, तो क्या है? सी, आई कैन नॉट फाइंड एनीथिंग 73 और 14 के बीच में. आई एम अनेबल टू फाइंड. इट डज नॉट मीन दैट आई वोंट बी एबल टू फाइंड. थिंक अबाउट 87. 87 और 14 के बीच में कितना डिफरेंस है, फाइंड आउट तो करो. नहीं तो 73 प्लस 14 कितना है, फाइंड आउट करो. कुछ तो रिलेशन होगा ही होगा. They have given the sum is there has to be some relation. Your job is to find out. First shot में नहीं समझ में आया, try some other way. Okay, trial and error method you must use in IT many times. Okay, so 73 plus 14 is 87. So see, 14 plus 87 is 101. 87 plus 101 will come here. See, 17 plus 14 87 जब भी आया तो मेरा जॉब half done, but I need to see whether that same thing is applied आगे के नंबर को भी. Okay, so 14 plus 87 किया, yes it is 101. So I have to do that. 87 plus 101, 188 will be the answer. Okay, 87 plus 101 will be 188. So this is the answer. See, it was just first standard addition and we have got the answer. But to find out that, give some time. Practice makes a person perfect. You need to practice more and more sums like this. Okay? So you will know different ways when they try to confuse you. Okay? चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. 7, 12, 14, 24, 28. ये क्या है? See, sometimes the relation is not of the adjacent numbers. In some cases, in case of alternate series, they are called as alternate series. Sometimes they may ask you a question based on alternate series. What do you mean by alternate series? 7 का और 14 का रिलेशन होता है, 14 और 28 का होता है, और 12 और 24 का होता है, 24 का और ये. So 7 2s are 14, 14 2s are 28. 7 2s are 12 2s are 24, 24 2s are 48 will be our answer. But students make and waste lot of time finding out the relation between these two. because normally that is the case, yes, कि बाजू बाजू वाले नंबर का कुछ रिलेशन होता है, but if you cannot find, then give one thought about this alternate series. Alternate series तो नहीं है, just try that too, because many times they have asked questions based on alternate series. Alternate मतलब एक छोड़ के एक का रिलेशन होता है. So this is a combination of two series. ये 7, 14, 28 and so on ये एक सीरीज है, और 12, 24, 48 ये एक सीरीज है. दोनों को मिला के अल्टरनेट सीरीज बना के दिया है. ओके, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. ऑब्जर्व द नंबर्स. नंबर्स आर इंक्रीजिंग स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली, सो देयर कुड बी possibility that this is a series of addition. 461 minus 424 करो, कितना होता है लिखो तो एटलीस्ट 37. 502 minus 461 कितना होता है 41. 545 minus 502 कितना होता है 47. Now observe the numbers. See, there wasn't any relation with this. There is a relation between their differences. 37, 41, 47. Students who know the prime numbers, sorry, it's not 47 students, it's 43. 41 के बाद 43 आता है ना? Okay, the students who know the prime numbers will know immediately looking at these numbers 37, 41, 43. अरे ये तो prime numbers है. So उनका difference is consecutive prime number. 37, उसके बाद आता है prime number 41. उसके बाद आता है 43, 43 के बाद आता है 47. So now our number should be more by 47. So 545 plus 47 कितना आता है 592. 592 is the answer. Once you know the relation of the difference, your answer is a matter of fraction of a second. Just addition, right? Here हम लोगों ने subtraction किया और इधर addition किया. ओके, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. ये तो एकदम ही सिंपल है. स्टूडेंट्स हु नो दी स्क्वायर्स विल इमीडिएटली लुकिंग एट द नंबर दे विल रियलाइज, अरे ये तो सब स्क्वायर नंबर्स है. कैसे? ये 21 का स्क्वायर है, ये 19 का है, ये 17 का है और ये 13 का है. मींस सी ऑल दीज आर स्क्वायर्स ओनली. ये क्यूब है, बाकी ये तीनों स्क्वायर्स है. सो स्क्वायर कौन सा ले, इसके लिए यू मस्ट ऑब्जर्व द नंबर्स. अरे 21 है, 19 है, 17 है, means they are writing the squares of odd numbers. So अभी 17 और 13 के बीच में 15 का स्क्वायर आना चाहिए. So it is 225. So easy, isn't it? चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now looking at these numbers, this may be a bit confusing, but looking at these three numbers, you will know, अरे ये तो 10 का क्यूब है, ये 8 का क्यूब है, ये 6 का क्यूब है, तो ये 12 का क्यूब है. ओके, ये तीनों दिए हैं, मतलब ये दिस मस्ट बी 12 का क्यूब. यू बाय हैव दिस आल्सो इफ यू वांट. ओके, सो अभी टाइम है इवन नंबर 12, 10, 8, 6, तो अभी 4 का क्यूब आना चाहिए. सो आंसर इज 64. Cube, squares, prime numbers are helping us. I told you right in the beginning of this video, you must know all these numbers. Okay, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Observe this. 1/3 के बाद 3/4 कैसे आया? 3/4 के बाद 12/7 कैसे आया? Observe the numbers. They have not just printed just for the sake of it. There has to be something, some relation. Observe. 1 into 3 करेंगे तो 3 आता है. 1 plus 3 करेंगे तो 4 आता है. So numerator into denominator on top, numerator plus denominator down. But we must see whether it is applied. 3 into 4 12, 3 plus 4 7, 12 into 7 84. Sorry, 12 into 7, correct, 84, and 12 plus 7 19. So now 84 into 19, that is 1596 will come on top, and 84 plus 19, 103 will be our denominator. So our answer is this. So this is nothing but what? n into d, that is numerator into denominator on top and numerator plus denominator down. ओके, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन, ऑब्जर्व द नंबर्स. नंबर्स आर रैपिडली इंक्रीजिंग, सो इट कैन बी समथिंग टू डू विद स्क्वायर्स और क्यूब्स. आर दे वेरी क्लोज टू एनी स्क्वायर्स और क्यूब्स? यस, दिस इज 8 2 का क्यूब है, उसके नजदीक है. ये 3 के क्यूब के नजदीक है. ये 4 के क्यूब. तो देखते हैं ना, 2 का क्यूब इज 8 प्लस 1. ये 3 का क्यूब दैट इज 27 प्लस 1. ये 4 का क्यूब 64 प्लस 1. ये 5 का क्यूब 125 प्लस 1. So now our job is to find out 6 cube plus 1, that is 216 plus 1, that is 217 is the answer. See here what helped us? Cube numbers. So please be careful. Okay, you must know them. Next, 13 के बाद 16 आया कैसे? Numbers are gradually increasing. So let us find out the difference. ये दोनों में 3 है, ये दोनों में है 6, ये दोनों में है 4. तो इधर 3 ही क्यूब, 6 ही क्यूब, 4 क्यूब. Why not 5? From where have they got this 4? Where they have got this 6 from? There has to be something. See students, 1 into 3, 3. That's why they are adding 3 to this 13. Okay. 1 into 6, 6. That's why they are adding 6 to this 16 to get the next number. 2 into 2, 4. That's why they are adding 4 to this 24 to get the next number 26. अभी अपना जॉब है 2 into 6, 12 ऐड करना है 26 को. So answer is 38. So easy. ये डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट किया क्योंकि नंबर्स आर ग्रेजुअली इंक्रीजिंग, और वो डिफरेंस कैसे मिला है, दैट वी ऑब्जर्व द नंबर्स. ओके, चल आगे बढ़ते हैं. आई एम जस्ट रबिंग दिस बिकॉज आई मे नीड स्पेस टू डिस्कस दैट पर्टिकुलर सम. ओके, क्या है सम? आई एम रीराइटिंग इट हियर. 30 upon 9, 4, 44 upon 9, 6, and then question mark, right? Now everything we will write in the form of fraction, even this one. 30 upon 9 तो है, 4 मतलब 36 upon 9, 9 1 जा 9, 9 4 जा 36, right? Then 44 upon 9, 6 is what? 54 upon 9. Then question mark. Now they look similar. Now find out. इसका डिफरेंस कितना है? 6 का है. इसका डिफरेंस 8. इसका 10. 6, 8, 10. So obviously we now need 12 का difference. So 54 plus 12 is 66 upon 9. Is there? Yes. Understood? Next one. नेक्स्ट वन क्या है? 8, 12, 21, 37. नंबर्स आर ग्रेजुअली इंक्रीजिंग. फाइंड आउट करो क्या डिफरेंस है. 4 का है इधर, इधर 9, इधर 16. बाय नाउ यू मस्ट हैव कम टू नो क्या है. लुकिंग एट द अबव नंबर्स, अरे दे आर स्क्वायर नंबर्स. सो 4 है, 2 का स्क्वायर, 3 का स्क्वायर, 4 का स्क्वायर. नाउ वी नीड टू ऐड 5 का स्क्वायर, दैट इज 25. So 37 plus 25 कितना है? 62. Yes, this is the answer. 62 is the answer. Next one. 0, 6, 24, 60. Numbers are rapidly increasing. This could be a sum of squares or cubes. Possibility is there. So I will try with cubes. 1 का cube minus 1 is 0. Now 2 का cube 8 minus 2 is 6. 3 का cube 27 minus 3 is 24. 4 का cube 64 minus 4 is 60. So अभी 5 का cube minus 5, that is 125 minus 5, 120. See students, अगर इससे नहीं होता तो मैं स्क्वायर से ट्राई करती. सी ट्राई करना ही पड़ता है. इफ वी आर फॉर्चुनेट फर्स्ट शॉट में आंसर आ जाता है. अगर नहीं आता है, डोंट वरी, देयर मस्ट बी सम अदर वे. Since they have given the question and the options, there has to be some way. Students, I repeat again, for this you must know all types of numbers. So you see my video on numbers. In case you know before, I am glad. In case you don't know, see that video of numbers. So you will have a better idea of all different types of numbers which you are supposed to know. Okay. With this, we are through with this important chapter, series numbers. Students, in case you enjoy my videos, don't forget to share them with your friends and more friends, and like them, like all my videos. And in case you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so, because I will be uploading all the chapters of standard 8. Okay, students, study well, and most importantly, enjoy studying. Bye.